Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply same video transition to all clips on CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here as you can see guys, I have imported some clips to this CapCut project, and I'm going to apply one transition or some transition to all these clips. First of all, we can click on the transition button right here, and then select the transition you would like to apply to your video. And I'm just going to select this one, for example, this mix transition. Tap on the transition and you can adjust the duration right here. I'm going to increase the duration. Once you're done, you just need to click on this apply to all to apply this transition to all your clips. Okay, now the transition has been applied to all my clips and I'm going to check it. So this is the transition I have applied. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply some transition to all clips in CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.